Hello and welcome back to our channel.
Hi everyone. We're so happy you're here today.
If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.
I'm Jamie.
And I'm Taylor. We help you practice real, everyday English.
Today our topic is Black Friday, a huge shopping day.
So, Jamie, how are you today?
I'm great, Taylor. Very energetic. How about you?
I'm good. A little tired. Drank a lot of coffee this morning.
Too much coffee isn't good, but it helps you wake up, right?
Exactly.
What did you do this weekend?
I visited my family, small dinner, very nice. And you?
Watched a comedy at home. Laughed a lot.
Sounds like a perfect weekend. Relaxing.
Yes, but now I'm ready for Black Friday. Need to go shopping.
Do you know what Black Friday is?
I think so. It's a day with big sales, all stores.
Right. It's after Thanksgiving. People eat turkey and spend time with family.
And the next day, Friday, is Black Friday. Now it's popular worldwide. Good prices everywhere.
Good prices? You mean cheap prices?
Yes. For example, a television, usually $520, on Black Friday, maybe $310.
Wow. $210 less. That's a great deal.
So what do people buy?
Electronics, TVs, computers, phones.
I need a new phone. Battery is bad.
Wait for Black Friday. You'll get a good price.
People also buy clothes, toys, home items, like a new coffee maker.
Ah, yes. I want a new video game console, too.
Where do people shop? Small shops or big stores?
Mostly big department stores and malls. Now many shop online.
Online is easy, comfortable, no cold weather.
True, but some like the excitement of physical stores.
Excitement?
Stores open very early, 6 a.m. or even midnight. Long lines, many people.
Long lines? No thanks. I'm not very patient.
But the deals are amazing. People run to get the best prices.
What sentences can we use?
I want to buy a new laptop on Black Friday.
Perfect. Or, I'm looking for a good deal on a camera.
And if you see a good price, say, "This is a great deal," or "What a great price."
If the store is crowded, say, "The store is so crowded. Look at this long line."
And if it's sold out, say, "Oh no, it's sold out."
I like online shopping. Easier and relaxed. Big crowds stress me.
Yes, planning is important. Look at ads before Black Friday. Make a shopping list.
My list? Winter coat, boots, book for a friend.
My list? Big TV, coffee maker, maybe a new chair.
Online ads show all the special prices, helps you plan what to buy.
Sometimes the best deals are only in stores for a few hours.
So you decide. Best price with early store visit or good deal from home?
Comfort or price? What matters more to you?
Comfort. But for a big TV, maybe I'll go to the store with a friend.
Black Friday used to be one day, now sometimes a weekend.
And Cyber Monday, the Monday after, for online deals.
2 big shopping days, plan wisely, and maybe your wallet will survive.
Don't forget a budget. Plan how much you spend.
Okay, let's wrap up. Black Friday is about planning, finding great deals, enjoying shopping.
And remembering, online shopping is convenient, physical stores are exciting.
Make a list, stick to your budget, and enjoy the experience.
Keep practicing English, talk about shopping, describe prices and crowds. How fun.
All right, everyone. Now let's practice some useful words from today's conversation.
Yes, we picked the most important words that help you understand and use English every day.
First word, energetic. Energetic means full of energy, feeling lively and active.
Example, I felt energetic after drinking coffee. Your turn. Repeat, I felt energetic.
Next, deal. A deal means a good price or bargain.
Example, this TV is a great deal today. Repeat with me. This TV is a great deal.
Next, relaxing. Relaxing means something that helps you feel calm and comfortable.
Example, watching a comedy is relaxing. Repeat, watching a comedy is relaxing.
Another word, sale. Sale means when a store reduces the price of something.
Example, there is a big sale on laptops this Friday. Repeat, there is a big sale on laptops this Friday.
Next, worldwide. Worldwide means in all countries, everywhere.
Example, Black Friday is popular worldwide. Repeat, Black Friday is popular worldwide.
Great! Now let's practice some phrases and sentences from our conversation.
Taylor, how are you today?
I'm good. A little tired. Drank a lot of coffee this morning.
Notice the word tired. It means feeling a little sleepy or lacking energy.
And drank a lot of coffee means had many cups of coffee. It gives you energy, but can also make you jittery. Exactly. Next, Black Friday. Do you know what it means?
Yes, it's a day with big sales. So, big sales means many items are sold at lower prices.
And good prices or cheap prices are prices that are lower than usual. For example, a TV usually costs $520, but on Black Friday, maybe $310. That's a great deal.
Perfect. Let's try mini dialogue using these words.
Jamie, are you ready for the Black Friday sale?
Yes, I feel energetic and excited to find a good deal.
Remember, sales are everywhere worldwide, so many stores participate.
Watching these prices makes me feel relaxed, not stressed at all.
Learning English with real examples is relaxing too.
Exactly. Keep practicing these words. Use them in your own sentences.
That's all for today. Thanks for joining us.
Keep learning, keep smiling, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.